The Mercedes Maybach S 680 is not just a car. It is the ultimate definition of luxury, performance, and presence on the road. Welcome back to 91 Gearbox. Today we are diving into one of the most extraordinary vehicles ever crafted, a machine that combines the best of German engineering with unmatched opulence. From the very first glance, the Maybach S 680 demands respect. Its long, elegant body, signature chrome grille, and distinctive Maybach badging instantly set it apart from any ordinary luxury sedan. Every curve and line is designed not only for aesthetics, but also to emphasize its commanding road presence. The sheer size of this car alone makes a statement. This is not just transportation. This is power and prestige on wheels. Step inside, and the Maybach S 680 feels less like a car and more like a private jet cabin. The interior is crafted with only the finest materials, premium Napa leather, exquisite wood trims, and handcrafted details that elevate comfort to another level. The rear seats are a masterpiece in themselves, fully reclining with built-in massage functions, heated and ventilated features, and even footrests that ensure ultimate relaxation on long drives. For those who demand nothing but the best, this car is literally a moving lounge designed to pamper its passengers. But let's not forget what makes this machine truly remarkable: the power that lies beneath its hood. The S 680 is equipped with a 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine that produces a breathtaking 621 horsepower and 900 nm of torque. This powerhouse allows the Maybach to glide from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds. For a car of its size and weight, that level of performance is nothing short of astonishing. And yet it delivers this speed with absolute silence and smoothness, reminding you that true luxury is never about raw noise, but about refined power. The technology on board the S 680 is equally impressive. From the advanced MBUX infotainment system to a 4D surround sound Burmester audio system, every ride feels like an experience designed to stimulate your senses. Rear passengers enjoy their own entertainment screens, wireless controls, and even champagne flutes in the optional refrigerator compartment. The Maybach is not just about driving, it is about creating unforgettable journeys. On the road, this car feels like floating on a cloud. The Airmatic suspension adapts to every bump and curve, ensuring that whether you are behind the wheel or sitting in the back, the ride remains perfectly smooth. With state-of-the-art safety features, driver assistance systems, and autonomous capabilities, the S 680 blends futuristic technology with timeless class. The Mercedes Maybach S 680 is more than just a car. It's a statement of success, wealth, and excellence. It's for those who refuse to settle for anything less than perfection. For those who demand both speed and serenity. For those who understand that true luxury is not about showing off, but about experiencing the very best life has to offer. This is not just driving, this is living the dream. This is 91 Gearbox. And if you love cars that redefine the limits of luxury and performance, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more automotive masterpieces.